Today, I'll show you how to use Oracle Matrix to identify and filter for the highest-rated trading contexts, helping you find more favorable market conditions before making a trading decision. First, we need to understand what context means in trading. A context is a combination of different market conditions at a specific moment, forming a market environment that can affect signal performance. Using more market conditions creates a more detailed context, but reduces the sample size. Using fewer conditions gives more samples, but the context becomes less precise. The key is to balance context, specificity, and sample size to maintain a more stable trading edge. Now, I'll show you how to configure and understand the components inside the Matrix Setup window. Under the Indicator section, you'll find the State Matrix Setup window. This is where you select and configure the signal along with the market conditions used during the research process. In this section, configured is where the indicators used as signals or market conditions are stored for the research process. Oracle Matrix comes with 3 groups of default market conditions and 1 default signal. The first group is trend, which identifies market direction using moving averages, momentum, and the multi-trend concept. It generates 3 independent market conditions across the work time frame, higher time frame, and max time frame. Next is momentum strong, which evaluates the strength of the current trend. The stronger the momentum, the higher the probability that the trend may continue. This group also operates across 3 time frame levels. Momentum weak uses a slowdown algorithm to detect when momentum begins to weaken and when the current trend may be approaching its final stage. All of these market conditions are recorded independently and then combined to form a context. Finally, the default signal uses a breakout momentum algorithm to detect the early formation of a new trend, with separate signals for buy and sell. Now that you understand the basics of context, I'll guide you step by step on how to find and evaluate a suitable context in Oracle Matrix. Step 1. Click Indicator, then select the strategy you want to analyze for context. In this example, I use Breakout Hunter as the primary signal and Easy Trend to define the market conditions for the context. Step 2. Once the setup is complete, click Matrix to open the Market State Matrix Analysis window, then select Run. Oracle Matrix will automatically identify the contexts found in the data and evaluate their performance based on its default criteria. You can also customize the filtering criteria based on your own requirements. Performance is displayed separately for both buy and sell contexts. Step 3. From these results, you can select the context you want to evaluate further and move to backtest. Oracle Matrix will calculate all selected contexts and provide the summary and P&L, allowing you to review their performance before deciding which context to use. And that's the complete guide to setting up and finding contexts with Oracle Matrix. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and share the video if you find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Join the NinZaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.